Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Happy Friday to you guys. It's Friday, June 23rd here. We got a couple economic data here to go over. We'll start off with the market data. And the first one will be the market manufacturing PMI flash for the month of June. So back in May, we had a 52.7 on these two indexes. Anything above 50 is considered expansion. And of course, anything below is contraction. So, as you can see, it dropped to 52.1. That's the lowest I believe they said in about 3 months. And then we have the services, market services PMI flash for the month of June. So at a 53.6 in May. And in June, it dropped to 53. And that's the lowest in like 9 months. So those are something that's definitely we want to keep an eye on, as those are weakening a bit here. New home sales, on the other hand, we had 593,000 new home sales in the month of April, and the forecast for May was at 590,000, and it came in much higher at from the housing industry. So new home sales had a decent number at 610,000. Market's currently up a little bit. It's a light trading day today. Not much going on here. It's starting to look like summer's hit, and people are trying to sneak out of the office on a Friday and start the weekend early. So that's probably what's kind of going on, why we're not seeing a whole lot of activities on our Fridays for the summer period here. But be a little caution a little later today. We do have a few speakers today, Fed speakers, that will be talking, and it seems like we're seeing a lot of differences in opinions and thoughts. From raising rates to the reducing the reducing the balance sheets and stuff. So it gets a little confusing for a lot of investors, and that uncertainty can, they're going to act on that uncertainty, and usually they'll pull back, if anything, just for flight of safety, so to speak, until they get some more clarity as to what the Fed is thinking. So let's take a look here at the bond market. We are basically just down 3 basis points, so nothing changed from yesterday. No price changes or anything. We're still above this 200-day moving average, above the 10-day and even 25-day for that matter. So we're kind of just hitting this tight here. And as you can see, literally, we're like right in a very much sideways pattern. You're not seeing big swings way up here, swings down here. So there's not huge changes in the pricing of our interest rates thus far. So again, today's really no difference here. Now, we are kind of waiting for this on the 10-year Treasury. I don't have a graph to kind of show you, but on the 10-year Treasury is showing the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average in the process of joining and crossing. And when and if that happens, that's going to create what they call a dead cross. And what that basically what we've seen in the past, basically, it's a sell-off, basically, and that basically hurts. We saw that with the oil recently, and that's when it dropped from $50 to $43. Treasuries, basically the same thing. Now, why am I telling you this? This could actually help all bonds here, mortgage-backed securities, where that money gets moved from one investment to another as a flight to safety, and they move it over to mortgage-backed securities. So we may see that influx into mortgage-backed securities and improve interest rates. So this could potentially drive this up a lot further here. And if we're lucky, maybe it will be before the levels before the election. So we could get a nice improvement in our interest rates again. But again, it could be a short-lived experience too. So if you do see that, and when and if that happens and are in that market, you want to act fast. All right, so that pretty much concludes our day today. I'm around. I'm putting stuff on Twitter, so if you guys want more information or if things pop up, just come over to Twitter. You can find me underneath Mike Bjork and catch up what the updates are throughout the day. Also, if you guys are in the process of looking for a mortgage, whether it's a purchase or a refinance, I can assist you in that, as I'm a loan officer. I help people with their pre-approvals and providing them financing for their purchases of properties, to helping people with refinances. And some of the refinances we're currently working on are people who are going from adjustable to a fixed rate, to people who are taking equity of the property and doing different things with it. We have a variety of people doing different things. And then even people who want to go from a 30-year to a 15-year fix. So those are a couple of different options. Just feel free to reach out and see if I can help you out. All right, folks, you guys have a great long weekend here, and I look forward to see you guys on Monday. Bye.